Hey Bunny, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Honey. Please do make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And just join the family because I'm fun and exciting. If you don't believe, then just watch the video and you will see that I'm fun, exciting, and educative. So hit the subscribe button and join the family because you're gonna learn a thing or two about something on this channel. Anyways, today I am moving. Today is finally moving day, and yeah, I'm excited. However, I am tired. I don't even know how to explain it, but I feel really tired. And I think I feel that way because I just got my vaccine today. So when I got back from town, when I got home, I was just tired. I had a lot of last minute baking stuff that I needed to do, but I just got home and fell asleep because I was just tired. I don't know why, if it was the vaccine or if I was just tired and exhausted from baking last night, but I need to quickly finish that up. And then because I'm waiting for the guy that's helping me move, it's 4:30 now. The person will be here at 5 o'clock, so I kind of need to get that up and going. So yeah, I'm left with just the bathroom to pack and to clean out the fridge. I kind of kept the stuff in the fridge because I didn't want them melting on me, so I need to switch off the fridge. That means I need to take out everything that's inside the fridge. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's pack and move into our new place today.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about some.
Quick update. The movers are here. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but they are here. And we're moving stuff to the truck now.
Knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
So yeah guys, everything is all packed up. You guys can probably hear the echo in here. So yeah, we're going to the new place now. Everything is in the car, but however I need to come back tomorrow to come clean before I hand over the keys. So yay, I'm just closing windows and stuff. So let me check the bathroom window. I don't think I closed that. Yep, left it open. Lights are off, windows are closed. So yeah, bye. At the road, we're standing at the mini roadblock. There are two people fighting in front of us. So there's a fight happening there. We just stopped, I'm guessing. Aku hadin din.
I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice. What I need to be free.
So, quick update. I thought I would do an update because this one is hilarious. So, we are on our way now, but like, you won't believe what happened. Yes, I'm standing in the middle of the road. I don't know if you can see, but like, yeah. You wanna guess? Have you guessed what happened yet? I don't think so because there's no way of guessing this one. But I'm gonna give you like a second or so to guess what happened before I tell you what happened. But like, yeah, let me show you. So that's my moving truck over there, and it's that's the moving truck. So basically, the car, something is wrong with the car. It just switched itself off. So we don't know what's wrong. So I don't know. I don't even know what's gonna happen. Like, how do you take stuff from one car to another here, like while stranded here? Like, how does that happen? But I will update you guys. I'll let you know what happens. So I'll come back and let you know what happens. But now we're gonna try and figure out what's wrong with the car.
A few moments later.
So
should be easy, but it's not. 'Cause the problem is I love you. What's
okay, y'all. So the truck is fixed. Time to go now. So.
only problem is I love you.
Okay, bye. We're now going. Not bye, but like we're going. See you guys when I get to the apartment.
I want you.
You're stuck inside my head. Oh, I can't stop thinking about all the words you said. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound. Make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Do now? Only problem is I love you so damn much. Every word you say, every time we touch, I love you now. I want you.
Early the next morning.
Hi guys, I know you're watching this and you're like, okay, what just happened? Why are we seeing pacifiers all over the place, guys? I can explain, okay? So when I got to the apartment, like I couldn't record because it just didn't sit right with me that I'm filming people that are helping me move my stuff. And even when I got there, like my tripod was already packed away, so I couldn't put the phone on the tripod to then vlog the moving in process because like it just, I don't know, it didn't feel right that I'm having my phone, I'm recording and people are helping me move my stuff. That would just make me feel entitled, like the entitled YouTuber or something. I don't know, I was just uncomfortable with that. And everything also got so hectic. There was so much going on. So honestly speaking, we didn't get to record like moving the stuff into the apartment. And then now you're seeing the pacifiers and you're like, okay, now what about the pacifiers? Guys, this morning I needed to actually go to the hospital. My mom called me and she said she needed me to bring her a pacifier for my child, well, my sister's baby. So yeah, so that's why I was in the shop buying pacifiers, confused because like they were all so different. The price range was different. Like each and every one of them had their own price. Like one would be 100 and something, the other would be 200, the other would be $30. It's like the price difference was just massive. I don't know what it is with that, but this is why we are in this camp buying pacifiers. So like no, it's not a different video. It's just the same video.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I'm in the hospital. It is the next day. I'm supposed to go back to the other house to go clean, but I did a quick stop at the hospital. But yeah, so that's what we're starting with. Quick stop at the hospital. I went to venue first. Now I'm at the hospital. Then I'm gonna go to the other house to clean. Then I'll go back to the apartment and show you guys the apartment.
You're not that tough with me, so run away with me. Come home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time.
A few moments later.
So, wow, the echo. I'm sorry, but we're back at the old place. We finished cleaning it up, but I thought I would let. I just got a message and I was about to see when I read over the message. But I thought I would take a video of the place just so that I have proof of how the place looks like before I left. And so that's what I'm doing.
A few moments later. Early the next morning.
Breakfast vai dia ka tuju vai gele.
Kamu rimega?
Ah, o shitin pai.
Aku ngira mau ngirim.
Yeah, I've been trying to take my eyes off you. Oh girl, it ain't easy, just let go of that body. Why you gotta keep flirting like you do? I waited so patiently, but you don't seem sorry. I sing a little DM, trying to make some plans. Now come on baby, later in the PM, hope that you would understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Come on, let your clothes drop down to the floor. I wanna see you moving slowly to the music. We'll be dimming the lights, then lock the door. I know it sounds crazy, but hey, we're gonna do it. Come on, yeah. Send a little DM, trying to make some plans. Trying, baby. Maybe later in the PM, hope that you will understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Baby. Ooh. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. You and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say,